welcome to my channel. Are you considering importing a car but not sure where to start? Choosing the right car for importation can be a daunting task, but with the right knowledge you can make an informed decision. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of choosing the right car for importation. Let's get started. Section 1. Define your needs. Before starting your search, define your needs. What is your budget? How many passengers will the car need to seat? Do you need a specific make or model? Do you have a preference for automatic or manual transmission? Do you need a car for daily commuting or off-road adventures? Section 2. Research different models. Research different models that fit your needs. Read reviews and compare features. Check safety ratings and reliability. Look for cars with good fuel efficiency. Consider the cost of maintenance and repairs. Section 3. Check import regulations. Check import regulations in your country. Ensure the car meets safety and emission standards. Check if the car is eligible for importation. Research any additional fees or taxes. Section 4. Inspect the car. Inspect the car thoroughly. Check the car's history and mileage. Look for any signs of damage or wear. Test drive the car to ensure it's in good condition. Section 5. Compare prices. Compare prices. Research the market value of the car. Compare prices from different sellers. Negotiate the price based on your research. Choosing the right car for importation requires research and planning. By defining your needs, researching different models, checking import regulations, inspecting the car, and comparing prices, you can make an informed decision and find the perfect car for your needs. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Berger Auto Market, Lagos, or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper. And importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it. In Nigeria, that's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want. Win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment. Then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either Check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.